Hello, I'm Jesse Myles of the Myles Group, and today I'm going to answer the question about which renovations will give you the most return. In my opinion, there's two biggest renovations that you can do to your home. One is in the kitchen, and the second is in the master bathroom. A lot of times people are looking in the kitchen, they're looking at the cabinetry, the countertops, down to the flooring, the type of appliances that are in the kitchen. And then as far as in the master bathroom, a lot of people are looking to have that reflect kind of like their own little spa. So a lot of upgrades, a lot of people renovate their bathroom to simulate that spa-like experience, as in the showers, the jacuzzi bathtubs, even the type of fixtures that are in the bathroom. If you have any other questions about renovations that you could do to your home, feel free to contact me at my information below.